Morning, everybody. Happy Sunday to you. We're going to have another gloriously beautiful weather day here today. More importantly, we're going to have the new well tank put in and be replumbed here so we can finally get the irrigation straightened out. Let's go back and take a look before the guy shows up. It's going to be so nice to have this thing finally fixed. A little chilly this morning, but it's going to get up in the 70s again. So for those of you who don't know, the well tank blew out on a live stream the other day, the bottom of it. I had that fiberglass. I thought I did a pretty decent job, but obviously not good enough. That tank is about 60 years old or more. It's really got to go. The down well part works well there, pardon the pun, and I have a 3/4 horsepower motor that drives the back. What I like to have is this maintain constant 45 pounds per square inch pressure. That way when the timer comes on and things, the pressure's already there, the well is pressurized, and the downlink for the water to the whole property clicks on and everything gets irrigated. That's been the theory, and it's really been up and down for years. This has leaked for a while, but I've had massive leaks out here on the property. Well, there's no point addressing them until I get some pressure in the system. Plus, Tio, my erstwhile landscaper, see the black line running through there, busted a lot of my lines up here and made a real mess of them. So I'm going to have to run all new lines up here. So I'm just waiting for the guy to show up, and we're going to get the show on the road. Come on back, Tom. Hi. It's a blackbird in the morning. Good morning, blackbird. Good morning. So we're going to put the tank on this side over here because I worry about earthquakes a little bit, and we can actually strap it in. So Tom is here to do the job. So we're going to let him get to it. It shouldn't be a real big job. It's then Blackbird, I can finally fix the lines around here and get some dependable irrigation going on, so I don't have to go through the crap I went through with shit drying out in October and everything else.
Are you going to redo them?
Yeah, I got to at least the run out to the front. That's useless as tits on a bull. It's got so many breaks in it. I'm going to have to run a new line. I'm going to have to trench over here and bury and all that stuff. So, Nightmare City. Tom, what size tank do you think I had on there? Like a 30 or something?
Probably about a little 100-gallon tank.
That was 100 over there that I had?
It could be, yeah.
And this is 80?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, that's cool. Yeah, it didn't look like 100 to me. I don't know. Looks smaller.
Well,
this is a good quality, this Flexcon?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Let's get it done. There is the new tank. That is really nice looking, huh? Nice finish on it. Challenger. It's going to go in real nice behind the orange tree right there. That's a beefy tank, Tom. I don't think that's going to go over in an earthquake.
No.
Now that I look at it, I don't think I have to worry about that.
No.
That's a beauty. That old tank was really rotten. Another thing for the landfill, huh?
Pretty much.
All right, I'll let you get to it. Kind of rotten pad there. Well, we won't see that anymore. Tank's going to be mounted over here. Bye-bye rottenness. So plus it's going to be a quick job. John's already got the Lime's on there. Can always double as a Rancho clock, huh? Good positioning there. That's nice, right on the pad. Looks good and level. It's nice that's kind of hidden, right? Yeah, that thing's got such a wide base. I don't think it's really going to be an issue for earthquakes. It's nice resin, nice. I guess it's a fiberglass pad there. Plenty strong. Let's check in with Tom. How's it going, Tom?
Good.
Good. Getting her all doped up.
Glued up.
All right, excellent. Looking good. See if I can come around this side. Great, that is really a big boy tank. I don't know, I guess the other one's just taller, so it's an optical illusion. I think that they're not the same size or something.
No, they're not the same size. The other one's, this one's short and fat, and that one's tall and skinny.
This one's short, sweet, and to the point. Well, looks like you're making good progress. Won't be long. Blackbird's Jurassic Park. Here comes the tour bus. Tom's going to straighten out this down leg here. We got a nice new shut-off valve here. We're going to have our pressure gauge here. He's going to redo that. You can see that angle. That is just a bloody mess. This whole damn thing. That's looking good. Looking really good. Nice and solid too. Like having that shut-off valve, and we have a thing that we can tap here for irrigating here, so that's excellent. These guys know what they're doing. That's really a beautiful job. Those nice down legs now, multiple shut-offs. That's nice. Better than I thought it would be. Looks really like a much better setup now. So this goes down to the whole property. That goes into the shine shack there. Looks like a really nice install job. We're gonna put fire in the hole and fire her up.
Yeah, that's gonna be my heat.
All right. Nice. The valve all set. Nice. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I am ultra excited. It's time to put a little bit of fire in the hole. Just tightening up all our connections. Yeah, we got one main line shut-off valve here for the well, which is great, and then that'll be our test pour today. That's it. Didn't need to be primed or anything, huh?
It still had water in it.
Oh, okay. It'll take a while to fill up this baby, huh?
Not really.
What do you think the flow is out of that per minute, on gallons per minute on that system?
It's about 10 gallons a minute.
In other words, would I have been able to irrigate the property with just direct drive from the well to there? You think it's better to have a holding tank as an intermediate?
Well, you need to have this because it's like a shock absorber, like on the cars.
Right.
Use a gallon. Fill up a glass of water. That's what, 8 ounces.
Right.
This wants to do 10 gallons a minute. It doesn't work that way.
Doesn't work that way, yeah.
So all you hear is boom, 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 and it'll kill that switch.
Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that for sure. Great.
I'm gonna go grab my screwdriver real quick.
All right. Adjust that pressure.
Oh,
Right.
see where it shuts off.
Okay. Fire in the hole. See where she shuts. That's why you need a well tank to break the flow, or else this thing will jump and everything as you get some pockets of air, and you'll destroy that switch on there and probably wreck that pump in the back. And that's a $800 well. 5 years ago, that was an $800 gold 3/4 horsepower. It's probably well over $1,000 now. Outdoor duty rated. Do it the right way. You ever get tired of looking at water lines?
Huh?
You ever get tired of looking at water lines and pumps and everything?
Never the same thing.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I guess it keeps it from being boring. You're not working a factory at Amy's Kitchen or something, knocking out vegetarian hamburgers.
no, I couldn't do that.
Thank you guys for being here on a Sunday morning before Tom goes from job to job to job to job. I don't have any water. My cattle can't be fed, blah, blah, blah. Wells are very important here in the county, and this is really one of the last functional ones in the city of Santa Rosa, and it adds value to the property too. If you consider irrigating this property with this number of fruit trees and all the lawn, it should look lush and green out front. It does not. I realize that. But when you think about the gallons of water it needs to maintain that in a drought, the price of everything keeps going up. I'm sure the price of water is going to go up dramatically too for city. To be able to extract water from the ground and irrigate is a wonderful thing, and that definitely, as I said, adds value to the property, and Tom did a good job. I'm going to put some blocks underneath to support some of the piping here, just in case somebody should step on it. it won't snap that whole assembly off. But that's really good. It's a really good install job. So there's no reason that this isn't gonna hold 35 to 55 pounds per square inch. But the work's not done yet. We got another big job to do. We got to repair all of those water lines. The TO snapped off, and we got to do stuff the right way. Right way is do it yourself. So thank you, Tom, for a beautiful install job. Thank you guys for being along today. Your thumbs up are most appreciated. Thanks, everybody.